You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase. You've heard about it, of course. Is it real? Let me know in the comments. How to pronounce it though? It's pronounced in English pronunciation, climate change. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. So it's climate. It's not climate, not climate change. No, climate. Stress on the cli syllable. Climate, a mut sound. Climate. Climate change. Climate change. Did you hear this? Can you pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Climate change. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.